How about a little bit more animal spirit medicine? Today, the eagle. All pervading power. Truth seeker transforms karma, and I just saw one fly above. I'm in Texas. They migrate down here in the winter. I love it. I've seen them before, and it always feels so special when I get to see them because I'm in Texas. The noble eagle emanates the light of the sun. And I pulled the sun card in tarot today. Something special is in the air, I sense. This great bird is both physically and spiritually strong and grabs things with its talons like none other, and represents mastery over the elements of fire and air. When the eagle appears, like it did today, it soared above my head just a moment ago. I keep hearing it too. That was a crow, though. You'll soon be thrown into the karmic fire. I just heard it again. You'll soon be thrown into the karmic fire for the sake of your transformation. Great. The eagle pushes us to be our best and brightest selves and stops at nothing to see us shine. As someone who has shined around those who are pissed off that they don't shine, it's not fun. That's why I'm a hermit, because I'm allowed to be healthy and vibrant without having to take on the projections of those who have shitty lifestyle choices. I cussed. I hope I can post this. Grasp the sun in your talons and hold on for the ride. You are stronger than you think, Eagle Child. Yes. Yeah. Learn how to shine around those who want to shine but don't want to do the work that it takes to just be well and thus shine. Everyone can do this. Everyone can do this. When you're in balance, you're bright, radiant. This is challenges. When in balance, challenges. Because you love strength training. You look forward to it. You like it. It's your thing. To bring your inner eagle into balance, step into the unknown. Yeah. Step into the unknown. For some reason, yeah, the unknown. But don't lose yourself in the comfort zone of the unknown. Get your footing. Grasp your daily practices with your talents. Oh my God, there goes my timer. I gotta go get my daughter. She'll graduate high school soon, and then I'll get to have my life back. Have a good day.